YouTube family, what's good with you? It's your boy 2A in LA as always, fam. Anything I say in this episode, prior episodes, and future episodes is just my personal opinion. Don't take it as fact, don't take it as law. Always do your own homework and come up with your own conclusions. Right about now, fam, Ash, go ahead and tap that like button for your boy. If you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome. Come on in. You can join the congregation by smashing that subscribe button and requesting all post notifications. And if you are an existing supporter of this channel, fam, I appreciate you more than you can possibly imagine. You are the reason this channel is anything. All right, fam, welcome back. We have a special one for you today. So look, fam, this one came on my radar a while back. I saw some initial impressions on this gun, and then I went to SHOT Show this past year, got a chance to shoot it, fell in love with it, talked to my guys here at Covert, and man, I am ecstatic to have the HK MR556A4 in a pistol format here. So let me kind of walk you through the gun. I will also say this is just kind of my initial impressions video. Obviously, when I saw some early reviews on the gun and when I had a chance to shoot it at a SHOT Show, I was kind of sold on the quality of the gun and the shootability of the gun. And so really it was just about sourcing it and then kind of accessorizing it the way I wanted to. So got that laser speed laser on the front, got UH1 optic and Vortex magnifier sitting on Unity risers. Added that Law Tactical folder on it, so we can rock it like that, keep that package nice and short. Look, fam, trigger is great. I'm really digging it. It's got that extending charging handle on it. It's got a little take up, clear defined wall, crisp clean break. Reset it. Yeah, you know, for a factory trigger, solid. Again, when we do the full out review, I'll give you guys the pull weight and everything. But look, fam, I'm loving it. I think it's really well done. I think HK makes a quality product. You guys know recently I picked up that SP5K, and that is one of my favorite shorties in my collection. So I'm looking forward to get the pistol version of this out. When I shot it at SHOT Show, I shot the rifle version and loved the way it felt. Now, this is a heavy gun, so you know you should definitely keep that in mind. But as piston-driven guns go, and this is a piston-driven gun, I should mention, it's not bad. It's not bad. You know, this is not my V7, you know, where it's like sub 4 pounds, but it feels good. Man, nestles really well into the shoulder. I can't wait to get this out on the range. So be looking out for the review. We're going to do a lot of content with this bad boy. Ecstatic to have the M4556A4 in my collection. We'll probably do a comparison video with this and my SIG. Yeah, fam. fun times coming. All right? That's it for this episode, fam. Until next time, as always, take care of one another and peace.